Unboxing. Hello creature lovers and welcome to the universe. Today we made a little ride to a guy named Alex who is living 30 minutes from us, and we got ourselves some creepy creatures. We are unpacking 3 roach species and 1 isopod species, and I just planned to make it a video combined with another unboxing, but since Alex told us he has a Persellonitis pruinosis problem and we should go through the boxes to make sure we don't infest anything with pruinosis, we will go through the boxes now together. Yay! So first, yes, we have this cool chair here in the studio. That is also a bar stool. Pretty cool. We start out with hissing roaches. Madagascar giant hissing roaches. And I'm not sure how this will go because they can climb everywhere, but it works out pretty good at the moment. Maybe we can clear out all the leaves to check if there are isopods in. And that's why they are called hissing roaches. This looks like a mixed breed of hissing roaches, but I'm not sure about that. So now we will gently move them one by one. Oh, hi. It works out pretty well, but they don't like to jump. They just go out when there is a surface beyond them. That worked out pretty good. Come on. This is what I call a hissing roach, guys. So now, my little fella, would be cool you would moving in here, thanks. Next one up, wrong direction. Pretty simple to get them off your hands, but pretty hard to do it with one hand. We got ourselves a little escapee here. Oh, come on. Just jumped off my hand. Oops. And we're done with the hissers. And there are no isopods in here. They get calcium, water and more food when we're downstairs. We didn't want to bring up everything. Didn't want to bring everything up here. And the next ones are another cool roach. It's the so-called beetle roach. There are Tereas. Terea olie grandi or something like that. As always, I will write it down for you. Oh, nymph. They are so cool and so quick. This one is pretty special. Actually, it has black dots on a white ground. Or maybe that changes with age. I'm not sure about that. Never looked at it, but it can change with age. It's an adult one. Oh. Oh, another one with white ground and black markings. We're going through a lot of leaves. And we have another roach. Shoop. And this is what the nymphs look like. You rarely see them because they are always burrowed. And now we will flip the box and see what's going on inside. I see at least 2 more nymphs. One, not that easy at all. Oh, super tiny one. Got that. Would you please? Now we have it. There's another big one, I would say. Yes, of course. And now we are moving through the substrate where we have another nymph and another big nymph. And it looks like that's it. To make sure we have missed nothing out. Nope, no more roaches in here. So we're in with the beetle roaches or the domino roaches. I'm not really sure what their common name is. And now we have isopods. So next mission, going through this little bin, and here is the first isopod already out. Those are Armadillidium, and it's most likely they are vulgare from St. Lucia. So they are pretty colorful little tanks. And as you can see, they appear in a lot of different colors. There is a hitchhiker. Oh, look, isopods. Oh my god, there are isopods everywhere. There is a hitchhiker. I'm not sure what it is, but it is some sort of papaya. So we're trying to clean out the pots. Oh, another hitchhiker here. Ooh, that's gonna be a pain in the you know what I mean to sort them out. But we need to, because as you saw, we already found some hitchhikers in here. So we will flip the box inside here, and it will be much easier for us to go through the pots. They are so gorgeous in these many vibrant colors. I would say they are becoming pretty fast. One of my favorite isopods. Wow, look at this. This yellowish, pinkish. How cool is that? But I think nobody ever isolated colors out of them. It looks they randomly appear and disappear. Might be an interesting project. I need to research what was already done. Here are another. Okay, he's in shed. So let's give him a wet space here in the moss. With this cool reddish and brown tones. Here's a dark one and another reddish type. They are so cool. It will be really hard to getting all the small ones out. Oh, there is a big one. That's really a lot of isopods in here. But I think we could go with the substrate as well. I don't see any hitchhikers anymore. And I'm pretty sure I cannot sort all the babies out here. Yep, we put the substrate in. There are no more hitchhikers in here. And there are lots of isopods in the substrate. And as you can see, we found 2 hitchhikers of I don't know what kind. Looks like some flies or some moths maybe, or something else. And now we're left with the last species. And that won't be fun because they are a pretty fast and pretty heavy running roach species, and there are a lot of pruinoses in the breeding bin, so we need to sort them out for sure. So let's see how that gets. And there is the first pruinosis hitchhiker. There is again one of these ones, so we will not drop the entire box. I really try to get out the roaches one by one because it won't be fun. And here we have the first roach. Those are porcelain or China roaches. Lurida. And as you see, they are pretty fast if you get them out. And there are Porcellanitis pruinosis everywhere. That's gonna be fun to get all the roaches out here. I have another one, or I had another one. Now you can see how pretty they are. They are a yellow strain. Another one, not that much yellow. We're basically through. We're going to. Oh, whoa, fuck. Look how many tiny nymphs there are in. There is no way to get all of them out. No way. It might be easier to get the Porcellanitis out here. Deal. Isn't this a beautiful roach? And yes, the box is too small. I thought I would get small nymphs. Now I have adults. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm speeding up some things. I hope you liked what you saw. There are roaches you don't see every day besides the hissing roaches. The Armadillium San Lucia are really cool. And we're sorting out the pruinosis here. Then the substrate goes back into the bin to get all the small nymphs. Nothing more to say besides I hope you enjoyed it. You should subscribe if you enjoyed it because there is coming much more. Have a great week. Wish you all the best and see you in the universe. Bye bye.